Lately I've been doing more, but you still thinking less of a nigga. These size 10s, you can't step in them, nigga. While you downgrading your dreams, I've been upgrading my faith to share shit behind my back, but what it said to my face. Cause I'm amazing like Grace ass, crease like an A-rap, authentic like an A-track. Got fresher than some Ajax, I say that. Nigga, I did this for my daughter, I got smarter. For my daughter, I went harder. My brother struggle made me stronger. Collect the stones you threw at me and build something with it. I feel something different, cause niggas be alive and not living. Run nigga business, these niggas are lying my crib and the cap on these bitches, but still don't blow the back off these bitches. Lame. I pray to God to keep me safe because he know I'm wallin'. I'm in the streets and niggas dying off coronavirus. This pandemic got us locked up, it's still a crisis. Now nobody wanna shake your hand unless you sanitize them. Yeah, a newer version of the old me since 03. Realize you can't eat with slow feet. 3 things I need, my daughter's brothers and OG. Kush to the face, I blow it up on my lonely old soul. For this shit, put all my heart in this shit. Climb to the start for this shit, really start for this shit. I took a fall for this shit, now I fall for this shit. La 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 la.
I come from, we have to use food stamps and coupons. Have to get it crackin', no lacking, I gotta move on. Been going through it like them kids who sitting up in group homes. But the nigga handle business like I went and put a suit on for myself, it's crunch time. Like a nigga eating croutons. Use my thinker Blake, I ain't talking Jimmy Neutron. See, all I know is winning, it's not in me to be losing. I can never fold, you see, I was built too strong. Take a bottle to the naked face, abundance how to coat. Didn't have a pot to piss it, I ain't known shit but some hope. And niggas switched up and showed they true colors like rainbow. But I done made it through the storm and kept on my raincoat. If I gave myself the credit that I needed, it helped. Sometimes your worst enemy out here can be yourself. You still play your cards right, don't matter what you get dealt. Was in the ring fight demons, but I came out with a deal.
I worked so hard for this shit, put all my heart in this shit. Climb to the start for this shit, really start for this shit. I took a fall for this shit, now I fall for this shit. La 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 la.
In hard times, took a nigga smile since a child. Now they like me cause of my different style. Ay, I'm finally here, but it took a while. Ay, the definition of a problem child. Ay, no Lord, please save me. And I can tell these niggas hate me. Ay, and yeah, the streets is what raised me. Ay, the sucker niggas tryna play me. Ay,
that doubt ain't never held me. I'm cold, watch me rain down below like I'm hailing. Still ain't never reached my pinnacle. I don't know about ceilings. I'm just getting to the deck and screaming fuck it, I'm still rebelling. Ay. All y'all niggas is peasants, I'm a king now, and I'ma keep rapping. All y'all bitches loving my sound, I'm shining like a star. Look up, I'm in the clouds now. What you talking about? Y'all niggas just run your hands on this shit. Right
put
there.
all my heart in this shit. Climb to the start for this shit, really start for this shit. I took a fall for this shit, now I fall for this shit. La 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 la.
And I ain't never had it easy. If I told you about my struggle, you probably wouldn't believe me. Fed everybody from my plate, now it's time to be greedy. Watch out for close ones, attachment could lead to bleeding. Hey, so you can catch me by my lonely. Once a nigga start eating steak, he forget about my lonely. Realest nigga you met, so I ain't mad if they tryna call me. You can tell I'm on my grind, you ain't even gotta know me. Hey,
that's it.